So in this demo, we are going to show you how you can connect Amazon S3 with Sparkflows. So let's go to the administration section, click on configurations, and then click on AWS. Over here, we can enable AWS as the data source. And once we have enabled, we can always go ahead and browse the S3 from the data section. So we are going to mention the bucket name that we need to browse and also the credentials used for the access. If we are using role, then we can also enable the role that we want to use for fetching the S3. So what we have configured is the file sample data bucket, and which we can see in this AWS console. Now let's go back to the Sparkflows console and click on data and then S3. And here we can see that the same set of directories are available. So let's create one directory, video Sparkflows demo. So let's search for it, and this particular folder has been created. Now let's upload one file, and we are going to upload one file. So this is how we can create a directory and upload a file.